Welcome to Nambardar TV, a story of resilience and triumph. Today, we celebrate the incredible journey of Nambardar TV, a channel that has faced numerous challenges but continues to thrive. From its humble beginnings to becoming a beacon of hope and information, Nambardar TV has been a steadfast companion to its viewers. Through times of uncertainty and moments of joy, this channel has remained committed to delivering quality content and staying true to its mission. Join us as we delve into the inspiring story of Nambardar TV, a testament to perseverance and dedication.
We started Nambardar TV with a vision to provide quality content to our viewers. Despite the odds, we persevered and worked tirelessly to make our dream a reality. From the initial brainstorming sessions to the late-night edits, every step was a testament to our dedication. Our team, filled with passion and creativity, faced numerous challenges but never wavered. We believed in our mission and knew that with hard work and determination, we could overcome any obstacle. Today, we stand proud, knowing that our efforts have paid off and our vision has come to life.
From financial struggles to internal conflicts, Nambardar TV has faced numerous obstacles, but the team's determination and commitment to their vision kept them going.
The turning point came when we refocused on our core values and mission. We united as a team and worked towards a common goal.
And now we celebrate Nambardar TV's success. Join us as we look back on their journey and honor their achievements.
We will continue to fight for our rights and defend our values. The future looks bright for Nambardar TV, and we invite you to join us on this journey. Our commitment to delivering unbiased news and insightful stories remains unwavering. As we embrace new technologies and innovative approaches, we aim to bring you closer to the truth. Together, we can build a more informed and empowered community. Stay tuned, stay engaged, and be a part of the Nambardar TV family. Your support drives us forward.
Thank you for joining us on Nambardar TV, a story of resilience and triumph. Tune in next time for more inspiring stories.